SUPERMEXICANMIA! I'm getting ready to go to Pride, the party. So this is my outfit. What do you guys think? I think I look lit. I'm gonna be doing my makeup next. So let's go. These are my socks. I already know. #Pride. And these are my shoes. Ugh. I'm doing the base of my heart. Guys, this is my progress. What do you think? I was thinking of doing just the gay pride flag here with the pure rainbow, but I don't really have that many colors with the palettes I have, so I'm just gonna do this again. Okay guys, my makeup's done. I feel lit. I put some sparkles on, hopefully you can see. This is my outfit. Looking lit, looking nice. Let's go. Okay, this is my brother's outfit. Look, he made these pants. They look nice, huh? Okay, okay. Okay, this is my sister's outfit. So I got my champion. Okay. Okay. Jonas Brothers. Guys, look, isn't that cute? This is parking in Rainbow. No, it said right there. Guys, this is so nice. Okay, okay. Hey, up, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Put on your trophy.
Yeah.
Couldn't get in because he was too old, but then they were like, oh no, he's okay, so he's good. What a lizard! Oh, nice. Okay. Okay, Leo.
Good. Let me see your hearts. Oh, your hearts.
Guys, this looks even way better at night. Look at this sheet. Woo! Okay. Okay guys, thanks so much. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time with the next videos I upload now, starting now, Tuesdays and Fridays. So yeah. Bye.